Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, do you want to make the website but if you feel like don't have any skills in codings, or if you would like to make it for free, let's say for your website, for your business or portfolio, don't worry guys, because Canva can help you to create that website. Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to create the website for free using the canva.com. How to create that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this canva.com, and here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email guys. And you can start to click home in this section, and you can also click the template or Canva AI. For example, from the template here you will have some inspiration or the template that will help you to create your own website. For example, I will type website over here without any clicking the category or the setting down here. And when you scroll down, you can start to create it from scratch by clicking this create a blank website or choosing the template that has been provided down here guys. You can simply scroll down and you can choose which one do you prefer. There are also the several templates that also contains the crown, which means that this is the premium template, and also you need to upgrade it into the pro version. And there's also the, let's say, the plain or free template. For example, you can choose this one, and this is the look or the preview before you open it, and you can continue to customize this template if you like this template. And it will bring you into this section or another tab, and you can start to do the editing over here, like the name or the headlines and also the detail or the products. And after that, after you finish every single detail that you would like to show in that website, so you can start to publish this website. And initially it was not here guys. However, I will show you how to get this, let's say the website or domain, and you can click the get a new domain over here. And after that it will bring you into this section, like bring your own domain and also buy a new domain. And of course it will be following the currency from the place you are living now. And also you can claim a free Canva domain. And for example, you can click this bring your own domain and click continue. And for example, I will type the design by me.com. like this, and you can click continue, and you will find the step like this. You can continue to following the step. You can click this and click this again and record edit, and I have updated my DNS record, and you clicking use this domain, and after that the domain or your website will be showed into this section like this. And this is the first step. Another step would be using the AI that has been provided by this Canva AI. You can click this one, Canva AI. I will close this one first. And after that, you can start to put your prompt into this section without clicking any setting down here. And for example, I will put my, let's say, the prompt or request, and you can continue to click submit. and it will direct you into the conversation with this Canva AI. And for example, I will show you the output. This is the same prompt that I used before, and after that you will see the several template that has been prepared by, or that has been provided by this Canva AI, because it will also following this prompt or has been shorted or has been categorized by the AI. And since the request is about the portfolio website, then you will have the template example like this. For example, you can click this one, and basically it will be the same. You can start to do the editing or adjustment like the photo or your name and also the details. And let's say if you have products, you can put it into this section, and also about, you can tell about your project into this website, and you can start to finish it. And once it's finished, the next step will be the same, just like in the template before. You can continue to publish website, and if you don't have any of this, don't worry, you can click this get new domain. And after you finish every single step on this section, you can start to choose the website that has been made before by you, for example like this. And after that you can click done and click publish, guys. So this will be the practice that you can do to create your own website. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry, guys, to put it on a comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.